Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that you can start using in order to create stunning and great best-selling books using these profitable keywords. Now, if you are new to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords and also passive income streams, passive income strategies, income reveals that I share with you to help you get started making income online. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword for the day has something to do with Q4, and it is Halloween activity book for adults. Halloween activity book for adults. And the results are great. As you can see, by self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension, we get the top bar right here breaking down everything that you need to know from the keyword niche score up to the average price. Starting with the keyword niche score given by self-publishing Titans, we have a 46. 46 is pretty good. Also, the total results are a little bit too high, but I'm quite happy with that, especially with considering that the Halloween, my apologies, niche is quite saturated. So it is normal to find results between the 2000 and above when it comes to the Halloween niche, and that does not contain a year number. So the total results are 3,210. You can be able to break that through and cut down on the total results if you're really scared on that by sub-niching, by creating mini niches under the keyword Halloween activity book for adults. And I'm going to explain why later on. The average bestseller rank is around that 300,000 mark, and it is averaging 372,841. And the average reviews are 412, and the average price is $8.06. Coming to the keyword niche score provided by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which is the top 2 Chrome extension that we are using out of the 4, we have a number 9. Number 9 is the highest on the scale you can get for a keyword niche score by this extension. So I'm pretty happy with that, and it complements beautifully with the results right here. Now, what do you do if you're concerned with the total results being over 3,000? You can sub-niche. For example, you are in this under this keyword, you are creating an activity book. It is Halloween based, and it is got to do with adults. So you could sub-niche whether you want it to be for female, for male, like as in for men, women, whether you want it to be for seniors, whether you want it to be a specific type of Halloween activity book that is more to do with certain figures of Halloween, such as ghosts, scary pumpkins, witches, vampires, that kind of stuff. Anything to do with minifigures that are not trademark would be great, because some people are specific fans of different of the Halloween figures and elements, so they do want a really targeted activity book for that, and you can go ahead and fulfill that and create that and use the interiors available in Creative Fabrica. Now, also, just a quick reminder that in the description box below this video, you can find 2 free trials for 30-day free trial, full 30 days for Creative Fabrica, all access subscription, and Canva Pro 30-day free trial. You can take advantage of that. Now, let's get started with going over to Creative Fabrica. We're going to copy and paste this exact keyword, Halloween activity for activity book for adults, and we are going to go down and filter according to the KDP interiors, the coloring pages and books also, and we're going to filter also by the KDP interiors right over there. So we want the first 3 all filtered out, and we are left with a massive 851 total results for this keyword. We've got 80 coloring pages. We have coloring, but we're looking for activities. We're looking for more of a set of activities. Yes, we do need coloring sheets in there. That's part of the activities as well. But what we will need more of is mazes, crosswords, mix and match, fill in the gap, these kind of things, but more for adults. So let's go ahead and write Halloween activity. So we want to try as much as we can to filter out the coloring sheets, and the majority of them are coloring sheets. This one's more of an activity book, so it contains coloring pages, mazes, word searches, and much more, around 100 pages, so you can go ahead and download that. This one's also a great selection of 80 pages full of activity sheets, and you do have a lot actually when you go down and you filter according to the coloring pages, the KDP interiors, you are left with a pure 520 results, all a mix and match of coloring sheets and activity pages. So take advantage of this lovely keyword right here. First keyword was Halloween activity book for adults. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and it is super jumbo coloring and activity book for kids Halloween. So it's a super jumbo, so it's a large print, 8.5 times 11 inches. It's a coloring and activity book, so it contains a mix of activities and coloring sheets, and it is targeted for children, and it's specific to Halloween. A keyword niche score of 25 and a total results of 400. So the total results are under 1,000, and the average bestseller rank is around that 500,000 mark, a little bit too high, but I'm still happy with that. So the bestseller rank averages 511,742, and the average reviews are 1,620, and the average price is $7.90. And I'm happy with the keyword niche score by Amazon's Cat Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 6. For that case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 25 given by Self-Publishing Titans, because I'm happy with number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, number 1, also number 2, because it fulfills this lovely context right over here. For example, total results being under 1,000, average being a little bit over 400,000, which I'm happy with right now. So great results right over here, as you can see. So you can also niche down and cut through that bestseller rank, average bestseller rank, by sub niching according to the whether you want the kids to be, whether you want it to be more for girls, for boys, for a specific type of Halloween character or figure as well. We've explained that in the previous keyword as well. Now let's go ahead and talk about the last and final keyword for the day, which is again a Q4 related keyword. Cute and creepy Halloween adult coloring book as a keyword niche score of 33. The total results are around that 3,000 mark, 3,740, and the average bestseller rank is around that 300,000 mark, which is great to see, and it averages 352,197, and the average reviews are 368, average price is $7.93. Great. And also a confirmation by Amazon's Cat Pro, giving us a number 6, categorizing this as a nice niche as well. So I'm going to say exactly what I've said about the previous 2 keywords that are Q4 related and that are Halloween related, either sub niche according to the gender, the style, and also according to specific characters of Halloween that are not trademarked. And I wish you all the best in pursuing your Halloween activity books and coloring books. And if you need any help, let me know in the comment section below. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.